3, 2,
Boomerang.
1. Cheers! Okay. Okay, this is not bad. Hey guys, so I just got done with work. It is a Friday evening. I actually got off quite a bit early today, which is kind of magical. Pretty not typical of a Friday. And Kev is still at work. So this is what we normally do to recover from a string of shifts because we both actually have this weekend off. First on the schedule is to go get some dessert because it's Friday and it's Friday and we deserve it. I went and I got dessert from 𝘀cie𝗰𝗶𝗹, which, by the way, if you're in the Seattle area, you really need to go get these 𝘀cie𝗰𝗶𝗹 croissants. They are so good. Got it on a cutting board. I think I'm gonna just slice it in half and see. Oh my god, I'm gonna tell it all over my chin. I was gonna say, why didn't you guys tell me? But there's no way you guys would have been able to tell me. About to heat up my chicken piccata. Asian apple cider. Happy Friday. Cheers. I did get some scrubs in teal, so I have that. And then also, I'm super excited because I've been waiting for this package to come for forever. It is actually a trash can for your car, and it actually has a lid and a thing to stick to the ground. You push and it clicks. It's honestly amazing. Ready to upgrade my life. I've been really oily recently, like I don't even know why, but I'm gonna go take a shower and just freshen up. Buttos is right here. He went on his little walk already, so he's chilling. Hi. Hi friends, good morning. So it's actually pretty sunny in Seattle today. Not dark. There's a lot of things that we need to clean today, so that's on the agenda. On days off, we normally sleep in until 9 or 10, so right now it's like 9. We slept like a full 11 hours just for recovery purposes. So Kevin's gonna take him on a walk and I'm gonna do my skincare routine.
What?
While your call is transferred to the next
Kevin is figuring out our toll bill situation. Okay, the look is done. It's literally just eyebrows, concealer. I really want to get the Madison Beer makeup that she showed in her Vogue interview, so that's on my list of things that I need to buy.
Hello.
Somebody is in the trouble.
Somebody got angry.
Somebody's in the trouble.
Somebody.
I feel like I tell you things throughout the week multiple times and then you never remember anything I say, and then I get really frustrated because it's like, I've already told you this, and you're like, you never told me this, and I'm like, I already told you this.
You should stop telling me things right before I sleep, honey.
Well, what other time is there to tell you stuff? Because that's the only time you're home.
Can you write it down?
Can I write it down? You want a daily update? I'm not a secretary.
What?
I'm not an executive assistant. Oh my god, we gotta go. We gotta get Chick-fil-A before we go to this apartment tour. Okay, so I got new fiber gummies, which actually they all know. Homegirl needs some fiber for some...
For your poop?
For some GI issues. A long time ago, I was sponsored by CVS, and...
What do you mean sponsored? It's
No, so that's how I discovered those fiber gummies, and I have been religiously hooked. Like, I wish I could be the national spokesperson for those fiber gummies because they are so good. You know, they are out of stock, so that's why I had to get this other brand on Amazon, and they're just not doing it for me. I feel like the further I am from like college and education, the more brain cells I'm losing actively. Do you feel like that too, or do you feel like
it's very difficult for me to learn anything now?
Do you think it's true? You know how they say like the human brain, like it's like really hard to learn things after you're like 25 or whatever?
Oh man, you're not even 25, hon.
Well, okay, here's the thing. I feel like when you're in healthcare, you get so subspecialized in what you know, and you know what you know really well, but like everything else becomes really blurry and foggy. Okay, so we got Chick-fil-A, and here's yours. Life update on a scale of 1 to 10. How happy are you right now?
6. What about you?
Where do you think I'm at?
4. Well, that's me right now. You're at 7. But after you're done with this food, you will be at 4.
I was at like a 10 over the weekend. Bellies are full, hearts are full. I'm at a 10 out of 10 right now.
Really?
Yeah. Okay, we're now at Target. I need to do a return. It's a swimsuit that I literally bought like 3 months ago that finally gonna get my money back. We love a good return policy.
Are you allowed to do that?
Can you see that there's this like weird spot on the lens?
Yes.
Can you fix it? I've been trying to clean it for like so long now.
You mean because you don't have a lens cap?
Yeah. Okay, so now we are going apartment touring. Today's kind of deceiving because the weather's actually really good. The biggest complaint that we have about our current apartment is that there isn't any sort of natural light that ever comes in. Okay. Okay, this is not bad. Wait, this is giant. Why is the laundry in the kitchen pantry? That's a little bit bizarre. Okay, this is a really big pantry. How much is this? Okay, 2.4. Here's the bathroom. Bedroom number 1. Ooh, it has a walk-in closet, living room, and then the bathroom is in. Oh, there's 2 bathrooms. Oh, it's a 2-bed, 2-bath. Okay. This is honestly probably too much room for us. I don't think we need 2 bathrooms. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. Cheers!
Oh my god, this is so sweet. This is like candy but liquid form.
Hi, Yucky! Kevin has epic. Oh my god, what time speed are you watching that at? Kevin is doing his epic training, or at least a modification of it. We just changed into some athletic clothes and we're gonna go take Lucky on a little run at the dog park. This is his new carrier. I'll link it down below for you guys. He loves it. It's his first carrier that he actually enjoys. The parking lot is literally so empty. I don't think I've ever seen it this empty before. I'm actually so blown away because, okay, so Lucky's in the back seat over there and I completely forgot he was even in the car because he's not even whining or panting or anything. Like, he's being very, very good. The weather's so nice. I'm literally dying. Honestly, I feel like Lucky kind of has my personality. Like, he wants to hang out with people for a little bit, but not for a long time, you know? This is actually the first time we're walking like laps.
Oh, there's a little dog area there? No?
Yeah, he actually is kind of listening to us, which I definitely did not expect. Later we're gonna have like no dog, he's gonna run away. Good boy, baby.
Little doggy area.
Did you find us? Did you find us, buddy? Did you find me? Oh my goodness. Hi! Hi, come here! Hi! Oh. Are you having a good time?
I would rather have $0 in my bank account and a smile on my face than...
What? Babe, no.
Miki would rather have a frown on her face and $2 million in her bank account.
I don't need a lot to be happy. There's just some core elements of things I need. Count me. Yay!
What apartment complex is that one?
I don't know. And then afterwards, we always wipe his little paws, make sure they're clean. Thanks, Dr. Kev.
What is this?
Vito, you have to go in a little bit further. It's not gonna close like that. He's actually really pooped. I think he's pretty tired. Good boy, baby. All right. Another car ride, okay?
Hair that was all the way to your feet or no hair. You cannot have anything else in between.
I'll be bald and I'll wear a wig.
Really?
Yeah.
Would you rather have a giant pimple on your face or a giant pimple that hurts when you sit down on your butt?
On my bed. I'm actually gonna close and call it a night. We're just gonna watch some TV and clean the freaking house tomorrow. So we'll show you the productive stuff tomorrow. Okay, it's the next day and clearly the outfit is very different because it's like 30 degrees out. But we're about to tour our last luxury apartment and then we gotta be productive the rest of the day. I feel like this is usually how it works. Saturday is recovery and then Sunday is productivity. Okay, let's go. So Kevin thinks this apartment might be the one and
The issue is that it's raining outside, so Miki's gonna be like, oh.
that's not how I act. That's not how I act, babe. Babe, who's acting immature?
Me.
So now that I have all that apartment hunting footage, I'm actually gonna show you how I edit my vlogs and make them a little bit more aesthetic. I use an app on my phone called VITA. What I love about VITA is that it's super simple to use and it's completely free. To show you how I edit the vlogs, I usually create a new project and then add the different clips that you want to. And so I've actually already done that. What I love so much about the VITA app is they have such cool effects and frames that you can use. And so as you can see, I put this really cool recording frame effect on there. Also also love the VHS retro filter. This one is one of my favorites. It gives it that super aesthetic look that lots of YouTubers go for. They also have really cool frames. With a click of a button, you can make it look like it is a MacBook frame, which is so cool. And then in addition to that, one of the other features that I love is actually the PIP picture-in-picture, which allows you to overlay pictures and videos over on top of each other. Here's a sample of one that I've created. All you have to do is click this button, the PIP, and then you select which clips or which images. In addition to that, they also have the mask feature, so you can create a clone of yourself if you'd like. And then finally, I want to show you that VITA also has some really cool templates. If you're looking to make a YouTube intro, looking for a vlog, they have all these pre-made templates already made for you. So literally all you have to do is plug in your photos and your videos. For this one, for example, all I did was plug in 15 photos and it created this really cute, it almost looks like a fan edit. If you go into the settings, you can actually turn on and off the VITA watermark setting, and so you actually don't have to export it with a watermark. You can download VITA with a link in my description box below. Definitely check it out, and without further ado, here's our apartment hunting footage.
Did you like the aesthetics of the apartment?
Yes.
Do you like the hardwood floors?
I hate it when
do you
you
like the roof
do stuff
stuff?
and you're right.
Really? Did I say that you would like this
Yeah,
place?
Kevin said that this was gonna be the one that I was gonna like, and it really was the one that I liked. So
was it actually a luxury apartment?
Yeah.
Subtle color?
I think it might be it. I think this might be it. This could be the one.
Really? It's also not like a pretty chill area.
So they have studios, 1 beds and 2 beds. The studios are definitely out of the question because we have way too much. The 1 beds and the 2 beds. The 2 beds is almost way too big for us. So
yeah.
The 1 bed's perfect, but we need like a 1 bed on the side of
bigger.
And
then the 1 bed that they have is like their penthouse 1 bed.
Yeah, so it's like super
not even
expensive.
that much different than the 2 bed price.
I'm just out here looking for the bare minimum.
Yes, and then both of the apartments that we saw, they have like a nice entrance area, which we are currently lacking, which would be great in the era of trying to
COVID.
keep.
So we ran the laundry before we left, and now I'm gonna put it in the dryer. This laundry machine honestly takes so long.
Come on, 1, 2. Hey, stop, 참 무책임해. 왜 자꾸 들었다 놨다 해. 헷갈리게 친절은 사양할게 오해하게 하지 말아요 날 yeah 들어봐 가뭄 같은 마음엔 뭐라도 단비가 돼요 돼요 무의미한 말에 자꾸 내 맘이 설레요 그래요 아름다운 그대와 단둘이서 걷고 싶은데
Are you bringing me a present? You wanna play fetch? You wanna play fetch? I wanna give you a chicken? I wanna give you the chicken? You ready? You ready? Go fetch! Good boy!
난 그대만
So it's been totally cleaned up. This whole bottom section, I don't think I've seen it clear since we moved in. And then now all of the things are actually organized in the bins right there. So
This is almost as good as 𝘀cie lemon.
that's my mom's favorite. So I always.
Why your mom and I have are the same person?
I know you guys have so much in common.
Your mom and I would go, if I had a vacation, we would go van lifing for like 2 weeks together.
Yeah, and you would totally vibe.
We would be very happy. We would not fight.
One time, Kevin was like, let's road trip from Seattle to Los Angeles. And I was like, no. If we're going, we're gonna fly. We are not driving. Okay, heading to Daiso so that we can pick up some gift wrap and things so that we can make some gifts for Kev's co-residents in NPs so that we can appreciate them and their work and them taking care of Kevin. a traumatic experience.
Losing one of your most important possessions.
Well, the thing is that I'm almost always permanently scrolling my phone, so the fact that we actually didn't realize that I didn't have my phone for that long was kind of phenomenal.
Minutes.
We also got some wrapping paper. I need to wrap a couple gifts for later. Here they are. 1, 2, 3. Gotta make sure he doesn't forget them for tomorrow. Okay, we're about to get ready to film a TikTok. We've got Kev on set here in character. Somebody got yelled at because he touched me with those rubber gloves on my face. 3, 2, 1. Okay, scene 2. You ready? Oh, pretty successful TikTok. I think it's gonna do well. I'm excited to edit it and get it up for tomorrow. But we're actually gonna call it a night. Thank you so much for hanging out with us today, watching this vlog. Don't forget you're a 10 out of 10. Don't let anyone ever make you feel otherwise. And I'll see you guys real soon. Bye, friends.
Good night.